In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your memberships on Whop. If you've ever wondered where to find the communities you've joined and what you can access inside them, this walkthrough will make it crystal clear. We'll move at a steady pace so you can follow along without pausing, and I'll share a few simple tips to keep everything smooth. Start by logging into your Whop account. Once you're signed in, you should land on your dashboard. This is your home base. Think of it as the control center for your memberships and activity. If you don't see the dashboard right away, look for a dashboard option in the navigation and click it. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account you used to join your communities. Now, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a section labeled Joined. This is the place that lists everything you've already joined on Whop. If your window is small or you're on a mobile device, you may need to scroll to see it. And sometimes sections can be collapsed, so just click to expand if needed. The Joined section is designed to be a quick snapshot of your memberships, so you don't have to dig around to figure out what you have access to. Inside Joined, you'll see your communities displayed. Examples might include Console Kings or Whop AI. Items listed here represent your active memberships, so anything you see should be good to go. Each community card or row typically shows the name and an icon or image, and it serves as a direct shortcut to that community space. If you've recently joined something new, it should appear here shortly after your purchase or invite is confirmed. To open any membership, just click it. That action takes you directly into the Community Hub, where you can access content, chats, and apps tied to that membership. Depending on how the community is set up, you might see channels for announcements, guides and resources, or tools and integrations. Take a moment to explore the tabs or menu inside the community so you know where to find what you need. If you ever want to return to your list of memberships, use your browser's back button or head straight back to your dashboard. That's all there is to it. Log in, head to your dashboard, look for Joined on the left, review your communities, and click anyone to open it and start exploring. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your memberships quickly and confidently.